everyone, back for another video, and today I'm going to be doing another Labubu slash lafufu unboxing. And today I have Wabam. Now this one is a lafufu. I knew that when I bought this one, but I couldn't help it. I was so excited. And not only that, the store that I went to had gotten a lot of Big Into Energy ones, and then they sold out within a couple of days. It was ridiculous. I went back a few days later and there was none there. And then they had these. I didn't know they were going to get more back in, but here this one is. So, look at the possibilities. But yeah, the ones that I would really like is this one or this one. Soy milk is okay. Not really interested in the brown ones. I already have green grape in lafufu form. So, without further much ado, I'm gonna run the back deck, the back porch here. Let me see if I can set this up somehow. My stand, I'm actually using my tablet right now, and the stand for it is very, like the thing that stands it up is really tiny, so there's not a whole lot to be done, but I'm going to open it from the bottom because we all know on lafufus that doesn't work. So I'm going to open it from the bottom as cleanly as I can. Looks like they just hot glued this. But this will be my fourth one. And I'm super excited. And the legit Labubus are just, they're impossible to get a hold of. Like, I'm not even going to try. So if I see a lafufu, I'm going to go for it. This one is like super bulky though. That's what intrigued me about this one. Okay, so here is the, oops, here is the baggie. I don't really care about the secret one. I don't really care about the dark brown one or the gray one, but I'll be happy with whatever I get because I love these. And go from the bottom. Oh, I can already see which one it is. Oh my. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this one will need a little bit of work. I'll have to like pinch the ears so that they do that more. Yeah, I can do that. Well, that nose is very neon orange. That's kind of fun though. The teeth though, the teeth weren't done very bad. I like the googly eyes. It's kind of cute. And the curly fur. The head is heavy. That's why the head is loose. Oh, we got a little thingy. The monsters. But yeah, the ears need some work. But I think that's mainly because they didn't pinch them like this. So that's fixable. So yeah, with a little stitching, I can get them looking fine. Oh wow, the head is like solid. So which one did I get? Oh, I don't, is there no, there's no thing in there. Okay, well, I think I got soy milk though. I think that's the one that I got. So, okay, I don't mind soy milk. This one is bulky though, like, there was a reason this one was calling out to me, because this one is like super bulky. Yeah, the face isn't stitched on upside down or anything. The hands are kind of, they're not super loose. Roll this back in here. Yeah, there's a lot of weight to this one. Lots of weight. And yeah, the eyes can pop out, so if you need to adjust, like readjust them, you can. You can just submerge the face in boiling water. And then the body, of course, will need to be like reshaped and everything. I can't believe how heavy this one is though. I love the fur texture. Smells so brand new, like has a new doll smell. Yeah, this one's not the greatest looking right now, but the little zhuzhing, they can be perfectly fine. I was glad to get something other than a green one, because it seems like the only ones I've gotten is green. So, ooh, look at, see, I love the ears, like this embroidered, because it's like super, super shiny. It is, it's very, very shiny. Yeah, the fur is reminding me of the I think his name is Snuggle Bear from, he was like the laundry mascot. That's what this reminds me of. Let's see, I cannot zoom out. It says zoomed out, or zoomed in as far as it'll go. Yeah, a little zhuzhing. And this one will be fine. I'll have to pinch the ears a bit more with some thread. And then we'll have to do some pinching of the body to get the proportions right. Do some fluffing on the sides. Reshape the head. Yeah, these lafufus, they just need some zhuzhing and just a little TLC and they'll be fine. I think these are so fun though. I do. I think I'll leave the eyes like this because I think it's really cute that they're kind of like googly eyed. I like that. And I like that they have rosy cheeks. I like the neon nose. I'm really digging that because I love neon colors, so. Lafufu or not, I am obsessed. Like legit Labubu or not, this, that, or the other, I don't really care. They're just really fun. I think it's like that meme that you see sometimes with Marge Simpson, and she's like, I just think they're neat. That's how I feel about these. So all legit Labubu collectors will be like, oh, that thing's busted and crusted looking. It's the creepiest thing I've ever seen. It's gonna haunt my nightmares, and it's demented as heck. I'm over here like, hey, I don't give a crap. And there's so much weight. There's so much weight to this one. And the head is like super stuffed. Like there's nothing flat about this. But yeah, that is the lafufu version of soy milk. I'm assuming it's soy milk. So yeah. If you didn't like this color of the nose, you could easily repaint it, like paint over it to the color that you wanted it to be. The mouth was done pretty good too, like it's pretty on there. Like it's not too off center. These lafufus have potential. I'm just saying. But yeah, I really wanted sea salt coconut. That one's my favorite. I just love that cool grayish blue. And then of course the pink one is always a pink anything. It's always appreciated, so. But anyhow, that is this. I might make an update whenever I, after I do all the zhuzhing that I need to do to get this little one looking proper. But yeah, that is my latest purchase. Thank you guys for watching. More videos to come, and remember to stay true to you.